just bought a growing dome. That is amazing, and we want to congratulate you. The next step is, how hands-on do you want to be with the installation process? Are you building this thing yourself, or do you want to call in the reinforcements? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today, because this isn't IKEA furniture, but it's also not rocket science. First things first, no matter which option you choose, this is a real construction project. You will be using drills, using ladders, working at height. You'll be hauling 50-pound bags of sand and handling large and sometimes awkward components. For some people, that's the fun part. And for other people, that's exactly why they want help. I fall into the second category. I love gardening, but building is really not my department. Roll the clip. What am I doing wrong? Why does it sound like that? I need a different one. I'm gonna go ask Barry. This is the part where I say you should hire a crew. Here's the part that most people don't expect, and that's even if you hire a Growing Spaces crew, you are responsible for the site prep and the groundwork. Your site needs to be both flat and level. Flat and level are two different things, and we need both of them. No shortcuts here. This is critical for structural integrity and ease of assembly. You'll need a finished foundation before the crew arrives. That could be gravel, concrete piers, or insulated concrete forms. Most of our customers opt for gravel as long as their building department will allow it, because it is the most cost-effective option. Have you thought about water or utilities yet? Because future you will be very thankful that you did. There's nothing like building the greenhouse of your dreams and turning around and realizing you don't have a way to water it. Also, if you ever plan on heating your greenhouse or maybe putting some lights inside so you can enjoy the space in the evening, at least 20 amp service is recommended. There are some materials that are going to be on you, and those are what we call owner supplied items. We do supply you with a full list of everything that you need to purchase yourself. These are items that are often heavy and bulky and would be very costly for us to ship to you, and we know that you've already invested a lot in this project. They are typically readily available at a local hardware store or an HVAC supply company, depending on which components you're looking for. So let's talk about what these installation options even are. Your first option is DIY, where you get to do it yourself. This is the most affordable option, and it's a very rewarding experience where you get to be hands-on, have full control over the entire project. We do provide you with written instructions as well as videos to guide you step by step throughout the process. And you can hear from Jeff about his experience with building his growing dome.
The reason I chose this was because I could build it myself. And I would say that someone who is somewhat handy should be someone that can do this. It's very doable by yourself. I built this. I did 95% of the build myself. It's not hard to do. You just follow the directions. It took time, but in terms of actual doing, it wasn't hard. So I would recommend, if you have any inkling of being able to do things, you could do this. Not a problem.
Our middle of the road option is the Supervisor. Now with this option, we send you an expert to come and guide you and your local crew. Now this local crew could be yourself and your friends and family, or it could be a local handyman service or a construction service that you hire. This is great for those that maybe want to be a little bit more hands-on, but want to make fewer mistakes, and that expert guidance will help you do so. You get that expert for a certain number of hours, and typically we do complete the build within that time frame. If for some reason, due to unforeseen circumstances, we cannot finish the build, we do walk you through step by step before we leave how to finish the project. What if you want to skip the heavy lifting entirely? We do have an option for you, and that's our full crew installation. We send out all of the crew members that are needed to build the entire structure. This is a more costly option, but it does come with a workmanship guarantee that gives you some peace of mind. Let's hear from Joe.
I was going to do it myself, but then I saw that you guys could go ahead and do it for us, so I hired your crew, and they did an excellent job. And I tell you what, I wanted to help them so much, and I got in the way a lot, but I tell you, they did a great job, super job.
All of these paths ultimately lead to the same goal, which is a strong, beautiful growing dome that you'll enjoy for years to come. The last question we have left is, how do you want to get there? If you have questions about which installation path is right for you, we'd love to help. You can drop your comments down below or reach out to us at info@growing-spaces.com or give us a call at 1-800-753-9333.